Benne Dose, that means butter dosa. For that you need a dosa batter and butter. So I have already spread one dosa. Now we'll apply some butter on it. I have taken Amul Butter. Normally when we make dosa, we use ghee or oil. So this is very tasty with a spicy chutney and sambar or palya, potato palya, that is potato sabji, along with this dosa. It's quite tasty. It's ready. See here, this Benne Dosa is ready here to serve. How to make the dosa batter you all know very, very well. I use the idli batter only for making the dosa. 4:1 I used to put, that is 4 parts of rice and 1 part of urad dal I use, and also 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Sometimes I used to put 2 teaspoon also. So this idli batter is used for making dosa. I grind for the idli in a very fine rava form, not very smooth but slightly in a rava form, so that you can use it for both making dosa as well as idli. Now after the top portion is dried up, you apply the butter. Butter according to your requirement you can add. Cook well from both the sides. Today I had made this palya, that is the potato sabji, so I am serving it along with this only. No chutney and sambar. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.